Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Today is Thursday the 19th of October and we're going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's start with yesterday's trades, and we're going to start with the trade that I took, and it was Euro Aussie dollar, and I've been building this trade all week pretty much. So as you can see, guys, you know, we was in this downtrend really at this point, then we was in kind of a bit of a range between here and here, and then eventually we broke. Okay, as soon as that I see that break, I want to buy this pair, okay, up to here, the next area of resistance. We don't know if it's going to retrace to here, 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 or here, but you can see yesterday, guys, that this was a really nice level. Yeah, we had a diagonal trend line, yeah, we had the moving average 20, and we had horizontal support. So this was like triple trouble support. Yeah, not only that, guys, yeah, we had, you know, a bit of a wick bounce off this level. Okay, and then as you can see, look at yesterday's candle, and look at that, how that's just carried on. You know, you have a good level when price reacts like that. Okay, you know this is a good level. Look how quickly price comes up. Yeah, you know this is a good level. Look how quickly price comes up. And we'll see this more on the H4 as well, guys. So if we drop down to the H4 now, it was actually a H1 entry. So let me just go to the H1. Yeah, and we had this bullish reaction on the H1 in our grey zone. Then I had to wait for the news because there was big CPI data coming out. So obviously that's important. And then after that come out, that was as expected. I entered because we'd already had our entry candle here. Okay. I can't really zoom in because price has moved so far away. Oh, there you go. Yeah, this was our entry candle. I waited for news, then I entered. Simple as that. And as you can see, guys, we've had a real bullish reaction. On the H4, let's take a look at this. But just to show you my idea, guys, I entered roughly here. Yeah, put my stop below here. This was my first target, back up to this level because there's an area of resistance here. I took 80% here. Yeah, and then I let 20% run. And this morning, you know, I've woke up a happy trader. Yeah, that's gone nicely in favor, guys. But not only that, guys, I've been building, and sorry, guys, yeah, if you want my trade ideas, this was put in the VIP Discord channel. I put all of my trades in there. I entered in here. If you like this trade, come join the VIP Discord. And also, guys, this idea of building a trade, my first entry on Euro US dollar was up here. Okay. Then I got hedged here. Price went against me. Then I exited this hedge here and added to the trade. Yeah, and my stop was down here, and my stop just never got triggered. Then we can add to the trade in here as well. Okay, and then I started this trade from here. Yeah, from here, and I've built this trade, entered here, and then once you get once you get this move up, it becomes a very profitable trade, obviously, and a great week, guys. This is basically the trade I've been, banging on at all week. So yeah, and if you want to see all of those trade ideas, guys, then again, join the VIP Discord. But yeah, that was Euro Aussie dollar. We had a very nice trade, guys. I hope some of you took it. It was the same with pound New Zealand dollar. This was our other trade idea from yesterday. So if we start with the day chart, yeah, just a simple structure break. Again, guys, nothing, there's no rocket science here. Yeah, we didn't make lower lows. This tells us that price could be slowing, the trend could be slowing down, or we get a trend change. Bang, yeah, we break these highs over here with this candle here, and then we're in an uptrend. And all we're looking for is a good area to get in, and this grey zone became a good area to get in, and we've hit target again. Yeah, and how many times do we see this, guys? What was once resistance? Yeah, it's been resistance, resistance, resistance. when it breaks, becomes excellent support. Yeah, we love this setup, guys. So yeah, we were trying to get in on this, guys, and we did have a trade here. I was waiting for that pound news, and then this happened. Yeah, which is a candle that we like, and it's, you know, on the moving average 20. You know, part of me thinks, why didn't I get in on this trade? But what I was looking for, guys, was just a bit more of a retrace to get back in, and we just never got it. But you could have quite happily gotten in on this candle, put your stop below here, and take price up to there. You know, that would have been a very nice trade, guys, on the H4. Again, I hope some of you took this trade. So, yeah, those were the two trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis and yesterday's trade ideas, maybe you took some of the trades, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now, guys. Also, please smash the notification button so that you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And also, please smash the like button, guys. It really helps support the vid. So thank you. Danke schön. Shukran. Yeah, come join us, guys. Also, before we look at the trades for Thursday, the 19th of October, let me just tell you a few things the channel does. So, first of all, guys, we've got a free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. We've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas. We've got useful links, books, indicators, loads of cool things, guys. Come check it out. The link is in the video description. Also, guys, we have the VIP Discord channel. Okay, if you're interested in this, guys, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions about whatever you're stuck with. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen, like the Euro Aussie dollar trade. We have two other expert traders sharing their trade ideas as well. We give you exclusive content every single week. Yeah, and you get access to a performance coach should you need it. And we're testing a new strategy, guys, that you could use. So loads of value in the VIP Discord. Come join it. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to learn how to read the charts like myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. And next, guys, if you watch this analysis vid every morning, you watch my live streams and would like to show your support for and appreciation for the channel, then you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member from as little as under $2. And you've got different tiers, guys. We've got, I always forget these. We have got supporter, gold, and legend. Okay, and each one has more and more perks, guys, so check that out. Everything is in the video description. Also, don't forget the live stream today, 8 AM New York EST time. Get your questions for you ready for me. I'll see you later. But before then, guys, let me show you my trade ideas. So for today, guys, I was looking at a couple of US dollar pairs. Okay, and New Zealand dollar US dollar is one of those pairs. Because as you can see, you know, it was kind of in this range. We thought potentially we might start breaking out, but that high held. Yeah, and it's come crashing down. All right, and it's broken these lows. Okay, so, you know, it's broken out of a range and we're in a downtrend. So we could start selling this. All right, and there's lots of room. If we go to the weekly chart, I mean, arguably, you've got all of this room to move into. Obviously, that's not going to happen in a day. And if it does, I think the world has ended. Yeah, but, you know, it has potential, this trade. So New Zealand US dollar I was looking at. But these are not trade ideas, and I'm going to explain why. And also gold is another US dollar pair that I'm looking at. So I'm looking at them. They're not my, you know, top-notch trade ideas, but I'm looking at these. And again, with gold, you know, this is still, for me, in a downtrend. I know that may seem crazy, guys, but this is the last high. And it hasn't broke. Yeah, so And we know this is a very nice level historically. Okay, so we could expect a bounce off of this level, potentially to the downside. And, I wouldn't like to keep selling this all the way down to here, obviously. But we could expect a bounce off this level to the downside, perhaps down to this grey zone. So they're both, US dollar trades and US dollar strength. But I'm not 100% behind them, because if you just look at US dollar majors in general, like if you look at Euro US dollar and the day chart, how do you trade that? Yeah, I don't know. That's a weekly level. That's a daily level. Are we in an uptrend? Not sure. And then are we in a downtrend? Lower highs, higher lows. This is just difficult to read. All right. And it's the same for so many US dollar pairs. If you look at pound US dollar, is this a downtrend, uptrend? What's happening here? Okay. And you've only got to look at the weekly chart here as well. Look at that. If you get two candles like that, there's a lot of indecision here. Yeah, it's not the only one. If you look at US dollar, Canadian dollar, yeah, we've got this, we're at this weekly level here. Will it, won't it? Is it coming down? Is it coming back up? So just the US dollar majors in general are not filling me with confidence to take New Zealand US dollar short or gold short. So although they are trades that I'll be looking at. All right. So I just wanted to share what I'm thinking about when I'm looking at trades, and also doing this daily filter that I do. But I do have some trades, and these trades are based on Canadian dollar weakness and flight to safety strength. Okay. So the first trade idea is this, guys: Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. And these two trades are highly correlated that I'm going to show you. The other one is Canadian dollar Swiss franc. So weekly, we know this is a big weekly level, yeah, for Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, okay? And then if we go down to the day chart, I believe we're in a downtrend, yeah? That is a clear higher low, yeah, that gets broken. And all we've done currently is come back up, yeah? And we're starting to see selling candles, try to sell, selling candle. All right. And we're sort of hitting the moving average 20. And we know this is a good weekly level in here. Okay. So we're in a downtrend. We've got a bearish candle. We're below the moving average 20. We're bouncing off a weekly resistance level. Lots of things to like about this trade. Yeah. And that's your job, guys. Look for reasons to take a trade. Yeah. Don't think, I think I like the look of that. You need to back that up with a lot of reasons. So H4, yeah, because this is what I'm looking at. Yeah, this level has been holding. This H4 really has been ranging. Okay, so we're in this range as we speak. All right, and it's teetering on the edge of breaking, but I need to see a break of that low, and we still haven't yet. And then this is how I will trade it, guys. All right. So if we get, let's imagine we get a H4 break like this. Okay. If I start selling here, and this is my target, yeah. So this is my reward. Okay. But I have to put my stop above here. Yeah. Because that's where I'm wrong. Yeah. There's no point me putting it here. I'm not wrong here, or here. I'm not wrong here. Here I am wrong. Okay. So now you have your target. This is a really important thing to learn, guys. Now you have, let's just do how many pips that is. Okay, everything's moving. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay. But let's say that's 150 pips. Okay. So we know if we go to 75 pips, okay, about there, then we are getting 1:1. All right. So bear that in mind, guys. So if price retraces to this level, the trade then makes sense. Okay. So if we get this break, of this candle, yeah, this imaginary candle here, yeah, and then price retraces to here, the trade for me makes sense, because now this is my reward, not this. I will remove this, yeah, and this is my risk. And because we know where our stop loss and target is, this is viable. We're getting 1:1. Okay, but please bear in mind, the more this retraces up here, the better our risk to reward is going to be. All right, so it's a really important concept to understand this, guys. All right, but that's what I'm looking for. All right, I'm looking for a break. I'm looking for a retest. Yeah, my stop's going up here. Maybe it's at the moving average 20. This could be quite nice in here, perhaps. Yeah, and then I'll be interested in selling this pair. Okay, so break, retest, sell. If we don't get a break, we don't have a trade. Yeah, we haven't broken H4 structure. So that's Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. The next one is Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Like I said, guys, obviously highly correlated. And the thing with this one is, if we look at the weekly chart, we talked about this in the live stream yesterday. So we're in this range. All right, and this was also an important level, but we've broke this level on the day chart. So the idea is just to come to the bottom of this range. Okay. If we drop down to the day chart now, you can also see, yeah, you know, I bet a lot of people, if we zoom out, you can clearly see this level through here is important. Yeah, and there was a few buyers in here, but they couldn't sustain anything. Yeah, so if we look at that, but I bet a few people were thinking, okay, this is a potential bounce off for Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, and it just didn't happen. Instead, we broke this level with a very bearish candle, and therefore we're just trying to take price back down to the bottom of that weekly range. If we drop down to the H4, I need a retrace, guys, because again, I'm thinking about my stop loss and where I can hide. Yeah, I want price to retrace into here. You know, maybe the moving average 20 comes down. That would be nice. We get a bearish reaction and we can start selling this. Because realistically, guys, I want to put my stop above here. Okay. But yeah, retrace for Canadian Swiss franc, and then we can start selling. So there you go, guys. Those are my trade ideas for today. And please remember, guys, if you enjoy my trade ideas, I give them to you every day, even the levels that I'm going to be trading them from. Yeah, if you would like to receive this all the time, then subscribe to the channel right now. We'd love to have you. Hit the notification button. And also, everyone, please smash the like button. And also, guys, don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord, VIP Discord. We've got the mentorship program, and we've got Simply Forex YouTube membership. All right, guys, so check all of them out. Yeah, all in the video description. Right, let's take a look at the news now. So, news for Thursday, the 19th of October. So, overnight, guys, we had some good Japanese yen data and some disappointing employment change coming out of Aussie dollar, which probably led to that, you know, that weak Aussie dollar that we've been seeing. But that's all been and gone, guys. The first piece of news we're interested in is this, and we will look at this during the live stream. At 1:30, we got initial jobless claims and Philly Fed manufacturing. Okay, so these are both coming out at 1:30. And then after that, guys, at 3 o'clock, we got existing home sales coming out of the US. And then later on at 5 o'clock, London GMT, we got Fed Chair Powell speaking. So obviously when he speaks, the investing world listens, the whole world pretty much. So must be aware of that. That could put some volatility into any US dollar pairs. But other than that, guys, you are free to trade. And guys, yeah, hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. See you then, guys.